Join LAKHS, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
So this year we increased the rates of the ferry rates. So they were saying we increased it a lot, but all of that money now has come to the corporation. If you look at our collection this year, our collection was around some 90 lakhs something. That is higher than all of the previous years combined. So now all of that money now, instead of, they were talking about how people, nobody actually complained. What we were saying was all of the money now is going towards the development of our people. A lot of our councillors, a lot of people have been asking for works to be done in their wards and everything. Chopper, I think that was one issue. Now we had floated a tender for around 1 crore. And there was only a single bidder and he bidded some very extremely low amount, so we cancelled the tender. There is no point this thing. So now the reason they had, most of the issues that they raised was that we had not brought it to the council. So now we have taken post facto approval for a lot of those decisions. We have acted only in the interest of the corporation. Now if they want to have an interview with, they want to have meetings with all the contractors and everybody, it's not an issue from our side. We will organize that meeting. We at the council had given an extension of around 6 months now. So now they were talking about the rates being notified now. So we are going off the rates that Uday Anul had approved when he was mayor. We have added 15 or 20% extra and we re-tendered also. They are making it seem like it's a scam and there's basically nothing out of it.
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर कोणाकूच बिना तुम्ही पहिला त्याने तो बिंदास 2 वर्षात त्याने लोकांना घातल्या त्रासान आता परत सेम करता तो तुम्ही पळय त्या रस्ते फोडून दवरले कामगार कोण आसले पळय आम्ही ताका कितें सांगलेले तू बाबा एक स्ट्रेच कंप्लीट कर तो माती घाल कंप्लीट कर फुडलं काम कर व आख्खी परत त्याने स्कूल एरिया परत फोडून दवरल्या लोकांक गाडयो आपल्या हितून व्हरूंक ना लोकांची बिझनेस बंद पडल्या 2 वर्सां लोकांनी त्रास काडले बिझनेसमॅनांनी कोविडात त्याच्या पयलीं कोविडा खातीर त्रासान पडले आता लोक बिझनेसमॅन त्रासान आसा पूण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक कसलोच फरक पडना.